What if the biggest reason you're not wealthy isn't your job, isn't your salary, isn't even your country? It's something that has been living inside your mind for years. A silent voice that whispers every day, be careful, don't dream too big. Money changes people. And the most terrifying part, you don't even know it's there. Tonight, I'm going to show you the invisible prison that traps millions of people without a single bar. Imagine a child standing in front of a small glass jar. Inside the jar, there's a tiny flea. The flea jumps again and again, each time its head hits the glass lid. After hundreds of painful attempts, the flea stops jumping high. Eventually, someone removes the lid. The prison is gone. Freedom is right there. But the flea never escapes. Not because it can't, because it no longer believes it can. Now here's the uncomfortable question. What if you're that flea? Nobody's born fearing money. Nobody enters this world believing rich people are greedy. I'm just unlucky. Success isn't for people like me. Those words were planted, maybe by loving parents who struggled every month, maybe by teachers who rewarded obedience instead of curiosity, maybe by society that teaches people to survive instead of create. Little by little, those sentences became beliefs, and beliefs became your reality. Because your brain doesn't ask if something is true, it asks, should I repeat this? Every morning, before you even open your eyes, your subconscious is already making decisions. Should you take that opportunity? Should you negotiate a higher salary? Should you start that business? Should you invest? Or should you stay safe, exactly where you've always been? The answer often comes before you're even aware of the question, because your subconscious loves familiarity. It doesn't care if you're happy. It only cares that today feels like yesterday, and yesterday felt safe, even if it kept you broke. Here's something few people ever realize. Wealth isn't created the moment money enters your bank account. It begins the moment your identity changes. Poor people often ask, how can I make more money? Wealthy thinkers ask, who do I need to become? One chases income, the other transforms identity. Because income follows behavior, behavior follows belief, and belief creates destiny. That's why two people can receive the exact same opportunity, yet only one becomes wealthy. The opportunity wasn't different, the mindset was. Fear rarely screams, it whispers. Wait until next year. You're not ready. Someone smarter will do it. What if you fail? But here's the twist. Fear wears the mask of logic. It sounds responsible. It sounds reasonable. It sounds like you. That's why so many dreams die quietly. Not because people lacked talent, because they mistook fear for wisdom. Comfort feels warm, predictable, safe. But comfort has a dark secret. It slowly steals your future. One comfortable day becomes one comfortable month, then one comfortable year, until one morning you wake up wondering, where did my life go? The prison door was never locked. You simply stopped trying to open it. Here's something powerful. The brain is programmable. The same mind that learned fear can learn courage. The same mind that accepted limitation can embrace abundance. Every new habit is a vote. Every difficult decision rewrites your identity. Every action says, this is who I am now. And one day, without even noticing, the person you once dreamed of becoming is staring back at you in the mirror. Here's the greatest mystery of all. Money is never the true reward. Freedom is. The freedom to choose. The freedom to create. The freedom to help others. The freedom to live without fear deciding your future. Your bank account is often just a reflection of conversations happening inside your mind. Change the conversation, and eventually, the reflection changes too. So tonight, before you fall asleep, ask yourself one question. What belief about money have I accepted without ever questioning it? Because the most dangerous prison isn't made of concrete. It's made of invisible beliefs. And the beautiful truth is, the key has been in your hands this entire time. If this story changed the way you see money, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And remember, the richest life isn't built by chance. It's built by the stories you choose to believe.